Good morning, grade 11 in Mujtama Private School. How are you? Our lesson today is reading 6B, Part 1. Let's start with our school vision. To prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized awareness of society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology. 6B, Reading. Part 1. Value. Innovation is the value of the month, and volunteering is the value of the week. Starter. Dear students, what character traits are for scholars and free spirits? Recall your information that you have learned in reading 6A. Our first objective to discuss a set of values and talk about the importance of values in their life. Page 88. Exercise A. How would you define the term values? How important are values in our lives? What resources do we obtain our values from? Let's think about the first question. How would you define the term values? A person's values are his or her guiding principles or the beliefs that determine his or her perception of what is important and what's right or wrong. How important are values in our lives? Our values are incredibly important because they influence the choices we make in our lives. What resources do we obtain our values from? We obtain our values from the Holy Quran and the Sunnah. Read the quotations and answer the questions that follow. Education is teaching our children to desire the right things. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. The aim of education is the knowledge not of facts but of values. Education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. What do these quotations have in common and what point are they trying to make? To what extent do you agree with these statements? All of these quotations address the issue of education and the importance of teaching values. Our needs, wants, and desires, as well as the decisions we make, are a reflection of our values and beliefs. The first and third quotations are saying that the main purpose of education is the teaching of values that as they guide our actions and determine the choices we make. The second quotation suggests that education is not limited to building a person's personality or a person's ability to think and understand. True education is only achieved when equal attention is paid to the building of a person's character. A person of character values integrity and is ethical, constant, responsible, and compassionate. He or she is of service to society. The fourth quotation stresses the fact that the factual information that we learn at school is forgotten over time, and what is left is the character we have built in the process of learning. What we learn has got a powerful effect on us, in that it shapes our minds, beliefs, characters, and behavior. When viewed in the light, it becomes evident that the teaching of values is an essential part of education. Let's move to Objective 2 to skim the text to choose the right answer for a self-2 questions. Exercise B, page 88. Read the text quickly and answer the questions that follow. What type of text is it? Is it a story, a report, an essay, or an announcement? Exactly, it's an essay. Which option best indicates the purpose of the text? Exactly, to express the writer's personal opinion on an issue. Well, let's move to the third objective to identify specific information correctly by answering a set of 3 questions. Scan for these questions. What is the 21st century characterized by? According to the text, it's characterized by rapid technological and social change and a constant flow of easily accessible. What will a value-based education help children develop? Of course, good morals and strengths of characters. Another question. What will a strong value system help them maintain? A positive attitude. Great. Now it's time to close our lesson. Think about this question. According to the text, how do our values impact our lives? Go back and scan the text to get the answer. Here is the answer. Our values impact our lives by informing our decisions and determining how to approach and interact with the world around us. Well, till here we end our trip with this lesson today. Thank you for your attention and see you next lesson inshallah.